focus it. Okay, now, okay, plane electromagnetic waves in a vacuum we are discussing. You know that, okay, the plane waves are the waves that possesses a variation only in the direction of propagation, a variation in the direction of propagation. Okay, this is called a plane wave, and their characteristics remains constant across the plane normal to the direction of the propagation. This is called a plane wave. If you consider in case of an electromagnetic waves, you consider in case of electromagnetic waves, okay, propagating along the x-axis, they are referred to as a uniform plane wave if the electric field is independent of y and the z axis, but it is a function of x and t only. Further, not only electric field, even though in the magnetic field also. Further, for such a wave, it is important to note that there will be no field components along the direction of propagation. So now we can write the equation for the plane of electromagnetic waves in the vacuum, that is in the electric field and the magnetic field, as follows. Okay, or consider the plane electromagnetic waves of its wavelength is lambda, and the propagating in a vacuum along the x direction, let the electric field associated with the wave be oriented parallel to the y axis or y direction, be denoted by ey. It means electric field along with the y direction, and let a be its amplitude, also there will be a magnetic field, this is another one axis z, there will be a magnetic field, okay, and that is parallel to the z axis, that is going to be denoted by bz. Okay, bz. So these are the two. Let these two equations, or the electric field and a magnetic field along with the parallel to the y and z axis at any instant of time, can be written as, for example, Ey is equal to electric field is equal to E into cos of, okay, 2 pi by lambda into x minus ct into of okay, E into y along with y, okay, unit vector, or bz is equal to 1 by c times of A into cos of, okay, then same 2 pi by lambda, okay, x minus ct into what is the z, E unit of z. So these two equations are there. If you take the ratios of two equations, that is Ey by bz, Vy by bz, Ey by bz, it will get cancelled. Only remains what? C will be remains. Okay, E cos and all, only C will. So this will be equation. Or to take the modulus Ey is equal to Ey, okay, magnitude is taking positive, therefore, or bz is taking the bz modulus, means whatever the values is there, you are taking in the form of positive only under the magnitude. Therefore, C, we can express the C in terms of mu naught, okay, and epsilon naught as follows. Okay, because it is in vacuum, you see, in vacuum, there mu naught and the epsilon naught. If it is in vacuum, means you take the constant mu naught and epsilon naught. So the classical wave equation can be for an oscillating physical quantity of f represents fundamental. We know that is dou square of f minus 1 by v square, dou square f by dou t square equal to 0. This is there, where v is the velocity of the wave. So comparing this equation with the equation of comparing this equation with the general equation. What is the general equation? For example, we know the vacuum means the general equation velocity is equal to 1 by under root of u of u. Compare these equation, okay, we will get you see that this equation, okay, where mu is equal to mu naught, will write epsilon is equal to epsilon naught is because it is in vacuum. If it is in vacuum, then that will be right 1 by mu naught into epsilon naught. So this is the above equation of the equation for the electromagnetic plane wave in vacuum. So this is there. How many minutes is there?
5.
Click, cut it.